Probably most of you guys have been wondering where have I been since I've not been posting on my YouTube. Welcome back to another video from Makwala. Before we go any further, please like this video, subscribe to the channel to show some support. Consider becoming members, guys. Yeah, I've been so busy that I don't even have much time to shoot content, but today I decided to, you know what, since I'm studying another cycle, let me shoot this one, because the last time I tried to shoot a series didn't end well. Stopped on second week because things got hectic and crazy. So come with me as I'm going to collect my day-old chicks. So the trip is about to start now. I'm actually driving to Polokwane. I'm going to Kinako, where I normally buy my feed, where I normally buy my day-old chicks. So I'm going there to collect my day-old chicks. So today I want you to come with me as I'm going to collect those day-old chicks. I promise, guys, that this one we're gonna take it from here until I sell. I try by all means to shoot content until the end, but sometimes, guys, it gets hectic and I get to be too busy to the point that shooting content takes time. So that's why I haven't been much active on my YouTube. I've been active on Facebook because Facebook is just pictures most of the time and short clips that I post. So on YouTube, it's where I post normally this kind of content, where I travel, where I do all those things. So, but yeah, I believe today we can try to shoot it until the end. I think there's a ceremony. Yeah, so I don't know who they're waiting for, but there's someone visiting maybe the school. There's a school here, special school around. So guys, yeah, come with me to collect my day-old chicks. Let the trip begin. Yes, finally arrived at Polokwane, Kinako store. This guy is the owner here. He always helping out. But anyway, I was here to collect my day-old chicks. And here the day-old chicks arrived straight from Victoria. So yeah, today I'm driving the Polo. I'm not with the 1400. So yeah, I'm using my Polo because I normally collect my day-old chicks using the private car. I don't normally use collect using the bike unless I have too many bucks to actually pick them up. Like in December time, I'll normally pick them up with my bike. So let's just take a tour, a mini tour inside the store. And this is what they have. This is the bags of feed that you can find at Kinako, and some of the prices. The Magnum starter goes for 465, the grower go for 450, then finishes 445. They also have your livestock feed that you can buy at a very reasonable price, and they also have your indigenous chicken feed that people normally give. So this is our day-old chicks. We just collected our boxes and we are ready to go. One of the reasons why I'm doing a voiceover is because when I was recording, I didn't realize that my mic were out of power. So I was busy doing the talking. But yeah, unfortunately, my mic was out of power, so that's why I had to do a voiceover for this video now. So we just picked up our DO chicks at Kenako, and we were actually ready to go home. So this is the store just right next to HiQ. They used to call it Dunlop back in the day, so now it's HiQ. So just right next to it, there you find Kinako in Polokwane. So yeah, not far from the Polokwane Public Works. On the other side, that's where you find it. So now it's time for us to go back home. Yes, we arrived at home. Unfortunately, one of the reasons why we don't have feed inside the brooder is because we actually came with our starter when we were collecting the big old chicks. I didn't have a starter. I didn't get a chance to buy starter before, so I decided to buy it when I'm collecting my big old chicks. So that's me actually placing in my day old chicks. Some people prefer to place them one by one, but actually I don't have the patience, guys. But anyway, they won't die, nothing will happen to your chicks. But yeah, just to be extra careful that you don't break maybe some, just make sure that you place them nicely, guys. Yeah, so our chicks were placed in, they were drinking water. So if you remember, don't use any spec, only goes with pure water. So but yeah, chicks were placed in and everything was set after we placed in our feeders, which we want to be giving them magnum start. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one.